Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your SquareUp account. Logging into SquareUp is a quick and straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. Start off by open a preferred web browser of your choice. Go ahead and type in squareup.com in the URL box. Now, once you end up in the official website for SquareUp, go to the upper right corner and click the sign in button. In the sign in page, go ahead and enter your email or your phone number associated with your SquareUp account. Now, click on the next button once you are done. On the next field, enter your correct password for your SquareUp account. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password and follow through the password reset process. Once you are done with the password, click Sign In and you will then be able to log into your SquareUp dashboard right away. And that's how you log into your existing SquareUp account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.